Oh my gosh. This vintage simplicity stuff is amazing. And there's more. Stay tuned for my JoAnns Haul. Hi everybody, this is Julie and I am excited to bring to you probably my most exciting haul, and that is the simplicity items from JoAnns. So I picked up several of the items and I will be putting together some kits. If you're excited about that, please comment down below. So this one was some napkins, and they are, I believe, all 4 sides. Let's go ahead and open it. Sometimes I think that's helpful. I want to thank Jessica, I'm a Cool Mom, for sharing the picture on YouTube when she was at JoAnns. I could not wait to get there. This, oh my gosh, this was so much fun. So, so this is the napkins, and they were on sale when I got there, which was exciting. So you get 4 of these. Okay, sweating while you shop counts as exercise, it says. I was able to get the rubber stamps, and so they are vintage patterns, and it's a tag kit. So that was exciting. Lipstick can't solve problems, but it's a pretty good start. And here we have the pretty lady. There we go. So they're pretty sassy. This one is Recipe, and there she is. She's got her apron. It was pattern 44.96, and recipe directions. Doesn't say how many. 40 cards. So you get 40 of those. And then the beautiful luncheon napkins. Darling, I make my own rules. So there's that. And $32 napkins came in that one. Okay, I did buy one of these little bags. This reminds me of my next door, well, my best friend's mom when I was growing up. Totally looks like her. And it says, "It's the thought that counts. Merry Christmas." So that's why I bought that one, because it totally reminded me of her. The other ones were kind of, I don't know, I didn't really care for them. So they had these 2 notepads, and this, I love that it has the pattern numbers on them. And these have 75 sheets. Let's see. Then they had this ribbon. Oh my gosh, you guys, this ribbon's $8.99 for 9 feet. So $1 a foot. But isn't it amazing? Just amazing. So let me know if you think I should put together kits with this. This is the other ribbon. So basically you get the 3 ladies for $1 on this one. But I think it's amazing. I love even the round on that side. Oh, my head is just spinning with ideas. There's more. I did pick up the calendar. I have several calendars like this, and I never remember to turn the pages. So yes, I will be ripping this up and putting it into the kits. I almost bought 2 of them. I almost bought one for me and one to tear up, and then I went, Julie, you don't even use the ones you have. So I didn't do it. So there's still more. I picked up the Christmas tags. I thought these were just, as I say, I thought this was all just amazing. And there is more. Let me show you the wrapping paper. Okay, so the wrapping paper, isn't this cute? And it has 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 times 3. 10 times 3. It has 30 pattern images on there. 30, and it's huge. So, okay, so that's the wrapping paper. It doesn't have anything about Christmas on it. It's just vintage simplicity patterns wrapping paper. And then there was a second one. Okay, so this one has the single images. And this one has 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. No, 8. 4, 8. And times 3. So it has 24 different images. Pretty cool, huh? Some of them similar and just flipped because she and that one and this one look pretty similar. No? Okay. Anyway, there's 24 different little images, it looks like, on that. So now for the Christmas tags, and the kits that I'm going to put together will have a sheet of each of these for the first set of kits. So you've got Be Merry, Yes It's Cool, and You Know Why. Or is it Cole? Yes, it's Cole, and You Know Why. Oh my gosh. It's to go on a present. Oh, Julie, you're so blonde. That is hilarious. So these are the images that are on the bags that they had as well. It's the thought that counts. Define naughty. And the bells. I think the bells are really cool. And the old vintage starburst there. Okay, so this isn't the next one. And again, you have Define Naughty, and you've got the 3. Oh, this will be jolly. Does being good at naughty count? Dear Santa, before I explain, how much do you already know? Sharing the cheer because you need it. Merry Christmas. It's the thought that counts, and there's that same one again. Merry Christmas. I picked it out myself. Shopping through a wonderland because you're worth it. And there's her, and there's her. And then this is the last page. Okay, you'll love this. You gave it to me last year. It's the thought that counts. Be jolly. Happy holidays. Deck the halls. Merry Christmas. Yes, it's Cole, and you know why. Be merry. Define naughty. Be merry. Merry Christmas and Winter Wonderland. So, oh my gosh, I think this would be a really fun December daily. If I didn't already have my list journal, this would totally be my list journal. And you know what? I haven't written in my list journal. I don't know. What do you think? Should I turn around, make my list journal out of this? Because I love it. I don't know if I have time though to get it made. I've made lists in my list, but I've made it on the little papers, not in the book. So, yeah. Oh, I just think they're so much fun, even if I save it for next year. But this part is not holiday exclusive, and neither is the wrapping paper. These are just, they were just too cute. And of course, you can just cut out the images and use the images. You don't have to use the, or you can cover over the sentiments. So tell me what you think. I think it's amazing. And thank you, Jessica, over at I'm a Cool Mom, for sharing and letting us know what you saw, because I I had to go. I told her on the, as soon as she posted, I think I was like 3 minutes after she posted it, I was like, oh my gosh, I have to have that. And I did. So I went and got it. So this is my Simplicity Vintage, and it will become a junk journal kit haul. And tell me what you think. I will put some other haul videos in the description box down below. Find something to celebrate every day. Don't forget to subscribe. Have an amazing day. Bye-bye. Bye-bye.